Welcome to the world of mathematics, the abstract science of numbers, quantities, and space. Mathematics is all around us, in nature and in everything we do. It is a science which makes life orderly, enhances our power of reasoning, promotes critical, abstract, and spatial thinking and problem-solving abilities as well as creativity. Mathematics is used in daily life by all, ranging from the illiterate to the highly literate, and helps in making life easier. Derived from the ancient Greek word mathema, meaning knowledge, it comprises numbers as in arithmetic, formulas as in algebra, understanding of shapes and spaces as in geometry, quantities and their change as in calculus, functions of angles and their applications as in trigonometry, interpretation and presentation of data as in statistics, and many more. However, even though it is a part of everyday life, many of us consider it as a difficult subject. If you also think so, then you must come to the Mathematics Gallery at Pushpa Gujral Science City. Here, kids and beginners are introduced to simple calculations using fish, to decimal numbers which are the basis of modern money management, and engineering calculations to binary numbers which are the language of all modern machines, and the story of zero and contributions of ancient India to mathematics and astronomical calculations, which will make you proud of your heritage. Here, visitors can see algebraic equations and geometric functions using building blocks. Trigonometry is learnt while measuring height and distance of distant objects, and geometry helps them to take a smooth ride on an uneven roller coaster with Rouleau's triangles. Here the Pythagoras theorem is simplified using a liquid, and quadratic equation is explained through a flight of cars and their paths. Music is produced trigonometrically from given sound waves and vice versa, and one can ride a bicycle with square wheels. Have you ever wondered if water can be used for finding out time? Do watch the water clock, an example of application of mensuration dealing with area and volume in the gallery. Also learn about probability and binomial distribution in statistics through beads, about arithmetical fractions in the fractal tree, and count the monkeys in elusive maths. Also, look at the golden ratio in nature and art, as maths is also related to beauty. If you want to be smarter, do visit the gallery and explore the wonders of this interesting subject. This gallery is an effort of Pushpa Gujral Science City to take STEM education to the masses to achieve the objective of Mission Popular Science.